Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, today we're checking out, another one of those companies that reach out every once in a while and says, hey, we've got some stuff. Check out our website. Send you some stuff out to check it out if you'd like. Did it, and yeah. So, today we're going to be checking out a couple different items from KeyUnity. Now, they've got their basic little EDC items, like different types of key rings and so on and so forth. A couple little tools, which that's what we're going to look at today. But I think we'll start with this guy, because this should be, yes, the KP05 is what they call it. And this is a titanium pen. So, cool little pen. There's actually 4 different versions of this pen. But we got some refills. Nice. Mini refills. Got a sticker. A little card there. A little info card. KeyUnity. And they say thank you in a bunch of different languages. That's cool. And there'll be links down in the description if you guys want to check out this further. And then, of course, you've got sort of this catalog pamphlet. Like I said, that's a lot of the stuff they have, like keychains and stuff like that. But I did pick out a couple of the little tools they have. So, ooh, there's a knife. There's a knife, too. I should have picked that, I guess. But, no, I wanted to get some tools. I wanted to get some tools on the channel. Maybe that'll be something in the future we can take a look at. But, like I said, this is the titanium pen. The KP05 is the model number. Now, there is 4 different versions, like I said. You've got like a silver polished tie. You've got this sandblasted tie, which I think looks pretty darn good. You've got the black, and then you have a blue titanium as well. Short little pen. Let's see how big this thing is. So you're looking at probably about 3 3/8, just over 3 1/4 inches long. Not very wide. I guess if you add the bolt in with the pocket clip, it's a little over a ½ inch. But small little pen, solid construction, no rattle, no nothing like that. You do have a hole up here to put a lanyard if you'd like, or put on a split ring or one of the key rings like I showed you. They do have a whole bunch of key rings and stuff. But overall construction seems really nice. I mean, there you go. I mean, you can kind of tell the seam right there, but it probably would be harder to see on the polished. I don't know if you saw in there, but you've got a couple of the extra O-rings that right there. But there's your pen, your spring, pretty easy to get to. Now you can also remove this end if you'd like, and this just kind of holds the pocket clip on if you would wish to do so. But snappy little pen, bolt action. Let's get it writes pretty darn smooth. It's got a smooth roller on it, for sure. There you go. Cool little pen. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. Tucks it away. Small in stature, if you like that. And it does got a pretty good pop to it. It is a little small, but it tucks away, hides away. You put it on, you put it on your keys for an extra pen or something like that. Always looking for pens that work. I try to keep my little pen in my pouch, and that does me pretty good. But for an overall little pen, not bad, and it's coming in at $35.99. That's what they cost. So like I said, there'll be a link down in the description. But let's check out this guy. This is the KP09, I believe they call it. This is just like a little sort of keychain folding knife. But then again, you get all the same info. Let's see. Oh, there's a split ring. Well, we won't get refills in this because it's not a pen. But you do get a split ring. So that's cool. Sticker, card, and everything else. But this cool little keychain pen. It's basically a little letter opener or something like that. It's also acts. It is a slip joint. D2 blade steel on that, by the way. There you go. You got your carabiner. Clip it wherever you choose to clip. Got a couple of spots here. Yeah, I guess you could put a lanyard on there if you wanted to. There you go. It says KeyUnity right there. But cool little blade. Like I said, what's the overall length with it open? Let's do it. Almost 4½ inches. Not bad. Your blade is actually about 1 5/8 inches. Cutting edge is probably, yep, right about 1.5 inches on the cutting edge. But let's see. Let's get a little piece of paper see how the blade is. I've used it on some envelopes. Well, that's not bad. That's not too bad. It's slicing up pretty well. I mean, I don't expect it to... Not bad, really. Like I said, I've used it on a couple of packages, used it on a few letters. Seems like it comes with a decent edge. Strop it up a little bit, and you've got yourself a decent little keychain knife. I mean, 1.5-inch blade. You don't do anything too crazy with it. But you know what? Overall, oh, that guy's coming in at $22.99. So, just a couple, yet another. I mean, come on, guys. The knife companies are coming out of the woodwork. Why wouldn't the EDC, you know, what's the tool? EDC tool, pen companies be too. Just something else to take a look at, guys. I know there's plenty out there already, but it's always cool to see what new stuff is coming out. And this just happens to be some cool stuff from Key Like I said, links down in the description. Go check them out. Feel free. But I will tell you, they do have a coupon code, which is cool. You get 20% off with the coupon code Best Wishes, all one word, and over $39. So let's see. You'd have to basically buy both of these to get the 20% off, or you could get the pen and one of the keychains to go with it. Well, let's just look at this. I don't know. Does it say a price on this? Let's see. I didn't look to see if it gives a price. No. Doesn't look like they give prices on these. But they got all this sort of stuff. Get yourself a little fob to hold it with, a little keychain holder. Put it on there, and you can get 20% off. So, cool. Right on. I do really appreciate Key hitting me up. And I really appreciate them sending some stuff out to check out. I always like checking out new stuff. Hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.